Theme parks are great, but sometimes you just need a break from the heat to cool off in the water park. Well, in today's video, we're going to do exactly that as we explore South Bay Shores, the included within Mission Water Park at California's Great America. Plus, I'll take part in the time-honored ace tradition of the CoasterCon Rubber Ducky Regatta, where rubber duckies will race for glory as they make their way around the park's lazy river. All that and more is coming up in today's episode, so without any further ado, let the South Bay Shores adventures begin. So I forgot to give my review on South Bay Shores earlier, but it's a decent water park. It's very small, it doesn't have a lot, but I really love how they had the drop sides and how they had the, I think it was called Mission Bay Falls, that boomerang side. Those were definitely standouts there, but they do need a little more variety and a little more quantity in terms of the sides. I also found the wave pool to be unusually shallow. I mean, most wave pools, like, you're not gonna get it to be super deep, but this one was like maybe 3 feet at its steepest point, so that was a little odd. But where this water park really stands out is in its theming. It has this nice, like, Pacific Coast theming, lots of pelicans and those kind of things, surf motifs. So it was very cute and it was fun to spend a few hours there, but it's not the kind of water park you would prioritize.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, we are heading back into South Bay Shores now, because one of the CoasterCon events is the Rubber Ducky Regatta. So for this event, you basically got to buy a duck and you're going to be racing it in the park's lazy river. So mine is number 222, which I've named Duck Van Dyke. Amanda, did you get a duck?
Yes, I did.
Are you
that's a great
ready?
Name.
Thank you, thank you. What did you name your duck?
Now you're making me think. Well,
you
we
give it
do
a
have
name?
a Jeep. So I had to get 3 ducks because the tradition, if you own Jeeps, you have to duck them. So if he had a Jeep, what I would do is I would out of blue go to his house and put a duck on his Jeep.
Interesting, I didn't know this.
That's actually a tradition of Jeeps, any Jeeps.
Her duck is named Patriot.
Nice, love
Well,
that.
it's better than Caroline Psycho, so.
Fair enough. All right, we have made it to the Rubber Ducky Regatta. I guess the duck drop is gonna be over here, and people are lining up all along the course to watch the ducks go. So this is gonna be exciting. So all the rubber duckies are in those bags, and they're gonna be released at 6:30 and make their way around the track here. The ducks are in the water.
The ducks are off. I see them going. Look at us.
Oh, that's the finish. Oh, we got the best spot.
Oh.
I assumed it was going to be the guards, but no. Oh, there's one that's way in advance. Yeah, wow. Yeah, there is a clear leader. So it's a clear leader or clear? No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. My warp sensing. Oh, look at him go.
I can't get any photos.
Yep, I'm not used to it.
Go, duckies, go. Go, duckies, go.
Try hard right there.
The biggest try-hard duck that ever existed.
First winner.
One.
That's adorable.
There, I think thousands of them in there.
Where?
That's on Pier 39.
Okay, yeah, down Fisherman's Wharf area.
Yeah.
Is this sustainable agriculture, guys?